everything you see in your life, what can you think of? Now you are in Everyday Object by me, Rainy Day as always. So today I got some inspiration, and that is a rose. Yes, of course, that a red rose right here in front of your screen. I'm going to get some inspiration out of this rose. And let's see what it's gonna be like with this red one right here. So after I draw this rose shape in here, I'm gonna insert the picture that I did take it before, and I'm gonna cut and go to screen options so the picture can look like part of the dress. So same thing here, just like I did my skirt. So I'm going to take a picture of this whole piece of flower, and then I'm gonna insert it and do it in a screen option. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click like, subscribe, share. By the way, if you think that your friend might like this video, don't forget to share it to them. I will be more appreciated. And also, if you like this video and you wanna do this challenge, do it on your own device or paper. Post it on your Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget these hashtags. Rainy Day as always with all big capital. front of your screen right now. I am going to check it out. The top 5 picture going to be on my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.